Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Red Packets. These are fun crypto gifts that Binance users can send and receive. They contain various cryptocurrencies and are a great way to get a little extra digital cash. You can claim them using a unique code or a special link, making it super easy to participate in these giveaways. It's a simple and engaging feature for the community. Claiming your red packet is straightforward. First, open your Binance app and look for the red packet icon, usually found on the home page or in the wallet section. Next, you'll either enter a specific code into the designated field or simply click on a shared link. Once claimed, the cryptocurrency gift is immediately deposited into your Binance Spot wallet, ready for use. Finding red packet codes is part of the fun. Many codes are shared on official Binance social media channels, like Twitter or Telegram, so follow them closely. You can also join various community groups and forums where users frequently post new codes. Don't forget to ask friends who use Binance, as they might share codes directly with you. To maximize your red packet claims, always act quickly because they often have a limited number of claims or a short expiration time. Stay updated on all new Binance promotions and announcements to catch the latest opportunities. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals. Happy claiming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.